How to fix print PDF files not printing in Adobe Reader on Windows 10. Here are some methods that may help you with the print PDF files not printing issue in Adobe Reader on Windows 10. Method 1. Power cycle your printer. Method 2. Update printer's driver. Method 3. Set printer as the default printer. Method 4. Try to PDF as an image. Method 5. Save another copy of the PDF file. Method 6. Remove your printer, then reinstall your printer drivers. Method 7. Existing Acrobat Reader. Using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, reboot your PC when the uninstallation is done, and then reinstall Acrobat Reader.